What is your best way to cook chicken legs? Cooking chicken legs in the oven is fast and convenient. Plus it comes out very nice. Oven-cooked chicken drumsticks recipes are a great culinary art every family should experience. Why you should consider oven-baked chicken legs. 1. They're easy to make. Most chicken meals will require a professional to make them. But you don't have to be a pro to be able to cook chicken drumsticks in the oven. Just go through with the instructions. It also doesn't take a lot of time after you've gathered everything that you need. 2. No need for elaborate preparation. With chicken drumsticks in the oven, you don't have to make a lot of cooking plans. It doesn't take a lot of time to prepare. Plus you can cook them while preparing the accompanying dish. 3. Family-friendly recipe. Everyone loves chicken legs, adults, children, aunties, uncles. It's fit for the family reunion party and hangouts with old friends. Even as a solo meal, you will be glad you made something exclusive for yourself. 4. Recipe for people on a budget. You can save a lot of money by baking your chicken legs. It comes out well with minimal ingredients. You can season it with what you have available in your kitchen. No pressure. 5. Recommended for people on a diet. Whatever your diet plan is, it's most likely going to oblige baked chicken legs. Dieting programs like low carb, paleo, keto, and Whole30 allow you to partake of this awesomeness. General procedure for baking chicken legs in the oven. Preparation. Put the seasoning for the chicken drumsticks in a bowl and combine them properly. Drizzle the mixture over the drumsticks completely, ensuring that you cover every part. With your chicken legs draped in seasoning and sitting on one side, prepare your oven. If you want to cook them immediately, that's fine. Otherwise, put them away in an airtight container and place in the fridge. When you are ready to cook, heat your oven to 400 degrees F. Douche your baking sheet in cooking oil or spray and arrange the chicken drumsticks on it. Give them space. Gently keep the baking sheet with chicken drumsticks on the rack in the center part of your oven. Allow it to cook for 25 minutes approximately. You can use your meat thermometer, if you have one, to check if your chicken is done. Making crispy baked chicken legs. When you have cooked the chicken legs to your desired degree of doneness, the next thing is to cook the back to crisp. When you are ready to crisp the back, switch to broil. You can choose to broil at high temperatures or at low temperatures depending on how your oven broiler works. If you're broiling at low temperature, your rack is best set close to the broiler coil. If you're broiling on high temperature, then your rack should be no less than 8 inches from the coil. The temperature for high broiling is usually around 425 degrees, while that of low temperature is 350 degrees. Is there a defined degree of doneness for baked chicken legs? Raw meat is not safe for human consumption. So, you should bake your chicken legs to the minimum required degree of doneness. For chicken, the required degree of doneness is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer to check because that is more foolproof. It's very easy to assume that chicken is done only to bring it out and see that it is all fresh on the inside. If you're checking the doneness of bone in chicken, make sure to take the thermometer close to the bone. Meat around the bone will take longer to cook. How long will chicken leg cook at different temperatures? Cooking chicken drumsticks at a moderate temperature is the best option. Except when you are broiling. The higher the cooking temperature, the faster chicken will cook. What to consider when cooking your chicken legs? The time your chicken legs will spend baking depends on the temperature of your oven, their sizes, the environmental temperature. If the legs are large, they'll spend more time absorbing heat before they can cook. Also, you need to know how your oven works. If the thermometer that came with it isn't working well, you may have to get another to help you measure your cooking time accurately. Temperature. The initial temperature of the drumsticks you are about to cook determines how long they will last baking. If they are really cold, they'll take longer. Otherwise, you'll have your baked drumsticks in good time. In this video, we have one baked chicken legs recipe to show you. Check the next video for more baked chicken leg recipes. Baked chicken drumsticks recipe. Bake tender, juicy chicken drumsticks for your family and friends with this recipe. You'll be done in about 40 to 45 minutes. Time estimates. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Marination time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 35 minutes. What you need. 10 pieces of chicken drumsticks. 1/3 cup of olive oil. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. 1 ball of lemon juiced. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 of brown sugar. Cooking procedure. First step, add your spices to a bowl. Combine them thoroughly. Second step, get a large storage bag and put your chicken legs in it. Add the seasoning to the storage bag and close it up. Gently rub in the seasoning until it has gone round every part of all the chicken legs. Third step, place the bag of chicken legs in the refrigerator and allow it to sit for 30 minutes, or until well marinated. Fourth step, set your oven to heat at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Get your baking sheet and cover it with aluminum foil. Douche the foil with cooking oil or spray. Fifth step, lay the chicken legs on the baking sheet, spacing them out. Place the baking sheet in the oven and leave to bake for 20 minutes. Check and turn the chicken on the other side, then bake again. Remember to check doneness with your thermometer. Bring out the baked chicken legs when they are thoroughly cooked. Serve the way you prefer. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our site zimovens.com for more awesome oven-baked recipes like this.